Before this video starts, I'd like to give a shout out to Ford Focus Sky 08 for helping me make this video. What is up, guys? Today we will be playing playground games with Ford Focus Sky 08. So I'm going to go set up the event. We're going to play it with Ford Focus Sky 08. That's him. That's the Subaru I made for him. Like the Car First channel. So now I'm going to set up the event. I'll show you guys too. You can see. What class should we make it? Let's keep it at Super Saloons. Okay, now we are ready. So let's create it. And now, yes, we will choose our vehicle and start the game. And hopefully, Ford Focus Sky 08 will join, obviously, but hopefully some other people will join too, just to make it more interesting. So it's only me and Ford Focus Sky 08. We'll see how this goes for this round. It's only gonna be us. We'll probably do a few other rounds. This is my BMW M5. So we'll see how this goes. Okay, it's only me. And here we go. He's in M4. I'm in the M5. We'll see. So I'm trying to get the flags over there. So we'll see how that goes. He's over there. Let's see. I don't know if he's gonna stay or if he's gonna come. He's probably gonna come. Yeah, I was right. No. It's good strategy, although it doesn't always work. So it's like, it's good, but it's not good at the same time. Because it works like 50-50. Okay, we only have one so far. Let's get some more. Okay, so he's gonna go over there. Although he thinks that that's going to make it harder on me, I actually secretly think that it'll make it easier on me. Because he's over there, as soon as I get it, I'm good to go. Because watch, see, he's going to come forward. Yeah, I made him that M4 too. See, I have it, and now I'm already going like 60. Yeah, he's just starting right now. And yeah, that car's stocked. I'm not going to pay for upgrades for someone else's car. So, yeah. Unless he upgraded it. Okay, we have 2. Gotta get some more. Okay, we have 3. Let's see if we can get another one. Maybe 2 more. Okay, I don't know where he is. He's over there. Yeah, he's over there. I'm gonna hold back a little bit and see if he's gonna come. Okay. So we have 4. Okay, nice. I think 4 is pretty good. We can definitely work with that. Oh, okay. Okay, cool. Okay, sure. Shout out to you. Yes, you get a shout out. Okay, so we have 4. Let's see what will happen next round. Okay, it is my turn to defend the score zone. We'll see how this will go, if he can get 4, maybe 5. I have 4. I'm gonna hold back, because like I said, at least for me, it's easier when they're over there. I know for most people, they think that that's harder, because they can just deny the flags over there, but I think if you don't deny the flag, they're obviously gonna score it, so I don't know. Depends. Okay, over there. Okay. Now I will follow him. Since it's just us two, I am gonna follow him just because I do have a more likely chance that if he does get it, I'll still be able to be in pursuit. See, like right here. Now I have it. Yeah, now I'm immediately in pursuit. When it's just 1 versus 1, it's super easy to just deny their flags over and over. You have to start scoring if you want to win. I mean, big time. Oh, nice juke there. Wow. Okay, I give you credit for that juke. That was a good one. Yeah. We got that one. I mean, there's 1 minute left. You can't score 4, but let's just go just for, just cause. How about no? Okay. So 30 seconds, impossible to get 3 more. GG. Let's go. Start a new round. We'll do 1 more round in this video, and then if you guys like this video, then we can do more. We both really like playground games, so we could definitely do more. Maybe some fans could join too, if they want to. I'll let you guys see the rewards. Yep. Okay, now we'll do Team King. So, start the Team King. Then we'll do Survival. Team King. We'll create a blueprint. Let's do Super Hot Hatch. To make the video a little bit shorter, I'll make it 4. I usually do 5 or 6. Make it 4 this time, because we still have survival to do, and who knows how long that'll go on for. Let's see. Should I use the car he made me? Or should I use my Civic Type R? I'll use my Civic. Again, just us. Start the event. So, Team King, we'll see what happens. Only us 2. I'm in my Type R. Blue team, only me on the blue team. Team King, rail yard. Team King. Okay, he's in a faster vehicle. Although I do have the King starting off, so we'll see who will get to the number first. I'm going to do what has been proven the best strategy yet, which is to go up here. Yes. Best strategy that I have ever tested, works the best. Works like literally almost every time. So yeah. Wait, it's gonna come up there. We can juke a little bit. Oh. Oh my gosh, this is so slow. Why is it so slow? I know I got slowed down. Wow. I didn't expect it to go slow. And he knew too, I think. Because we've played these playground games a lot. But yeah, that's basically a strategy. You'll want to go there, and then whenever they come out, go behind. He got slowed down. He's really trying to get away. Okay, 52 seconds to my 41 seconds. Those numbers will probably change though. Oh, come on. That was not too smart. I don't know why I did that. He's doing good for being slowed down. Got it now. See, I can juke too. I know you're very good at juking. You're not the only one. Also, going up here is good because you really don't need high speed. So you can't go too much of a high speed because these corners. So actually works out pretty well. And then he's going there still. Oh, come on. If I would not have bumped into that thing, then I might have made it without, yeah. I might have just fallen down and either respawned or made it safely down there. Okay, whoa, Civic, whoa. Okay, 18 seconds, he won, okay. So, I've won a round and he's won a round. Next round survival will be the tiebreaker. Who will win this video, I guess? Who will win this contest? I don't know, whatever you want to call it. Who will win? I will see you whenever we will do survival. Okay, survival. Let's go over to survival. This will be our last game for this video. Going to make it modern muscle. Open. Let's make it 3. 2. Yeah. Okay, 2. See which vehicle. I do have a Viper that I could use. Maybe we should use that. Yeah, let's use this Viper. And it's all-wheel drive. Yeah, I'm not going to drive a rear-wheel drive car. I'm not going to do that. So it's all-wheel drive? Perfect. Let's drive it. Or not. We have 3 people that are joined. So that's good. Oh, now it's 2, but more people join 3. Okay, that's great. We would like for more people to join. Comment down below if you would like to be joined in a video. I know I asked for people to want to be in a video, only like 1 or 2 people wanted to be in a video, but comment down below if you'd like to be in a video. Let's start the event now. Okay, we are on the same team. That's great. I'm in my all-wheel drive Viper. He's in the Camaro that I made for him. And let's do some survival. We are it, so we're gonna go tag that Mustang really quickly. They're S2 class, so 2 minutes. They will not be able to survive this. We will definitely tag them very quickly. Just gonna tag them. Oh, come on. That was close. Tag them. That was quick. Okay. Wow, I thought that was gonna be long. Okay, well, I don't think we have trouble surviving that. I could probably actually survive that without even moving. Let's see. If I don't move at all, I just stay here. Will I survive? I mean, if he comes really close, I'm gonna move. But let's see, how long can I stay here without moving that he's not gonna do anything. So I'm just gonna stay here. We arrive. You can hear that epic sounding engine. It's awesome. Wow, I stayed here the entire time and he didn't even come close. Wow. Okay. Well, thank you for watching Team Flag, Team King, and Team Survival. And we won that as a team, so I'll say that since I won 1, he won 1, and then we both won, I'll say that that's a tie. We both won. And epic. Awesome. Thank you for watching.